Legal considerations for real estate transactions in Louisiana, like in many other states, it's essential to ensure a smooth and legally sound process when buying or selling real property. Here are some key legal considerations to keep in mind that I would like to talk about today. Seller's disclosures. In Louisiana, sellers are typically required to provide a property disclosure document which outlines known defects or issues with the property. It's important for sellers to be truthful in their disclosures and for buyers to carefully review these disclosures. The purchase agreement, also known as the sales contract or offer to purchase, is a legally binding contract that outlines the terms and conditions of the sale. It should include details such as the purchase price, the financing terms, and any contingencies that may happen. Title examination and title insurance is conducted to ensure that the property's title is clear and free of any liens or encumbrances. Title insurance is often recommended to protect both buyers and lenders against any unforeseen title issues. Property inspections. Buyers may want to conduct various inspections such as a home inspection, termite inspection, and environmental inspection to uncover any potential issues with the property. The results of these inspections can impact the purchase of the negotiations. Financing and mortgages. So if you're financing the purchase, you'll need to work with a lender and go through the mortgage application process. Louisiana laws and regulations regarding mortgages and lending practices should be understood by both the buyer and the seller of the home. Property taxes and assessments are an important consideration. Buyers should be aware of the current property tax rates and any potential changes. Property tax assessments can also impact the property's value. The closing process involves the transfer of ownership and the exchange of the funds. It typically includes the signing of various legal documents, such as the deed, the settlement statement, and mortgage documents. Louisiana has specific rules and procedures for real estate closings. Homestead exemptions. In Louisiana, homeowners may be eligible for homestead exemptions, which can reduce property taxes. Buyers should understand the requirements for claiming these exemptions. Community property laws. In Louisiana, it is a community property state, which means that property acquired during a marriage is generally considered community property, and each spouse has a claim to it. This can impact property ownership and sales in the event of a divorce or a separation. Environmental regulations. Depending on the location and nature of the property, there may be environmental regulations and restrictions to consider. Environmental assessments may be necessary in certain cases. Real estate agents and brokers in Louisiana must adhere to state laws and regulations governing their profession. They play a crucial role in guiding buyers and sellers through the transaction process. Zoning and land use regulations can affect how the property can be used. Buyers should check with local authorities to understand any zoning restrictions. These are just some of the fundamental legal considerations for real estate transactions in Louisiana. It is advisable to work with experienced real estate professionals, including attorneys, real estate agents, and title companies, to navigate the legal aspects of buying or selling real property in the state. Additionally, consulting with a legal profession who specializes in real estate law can provide valuable guidance and protection throughout the transaction. If you have any questions at all about real estate or need any help with your real estate transactions, please give me a call. I'm Stacy Schwitty with eXp Realty. I'd love to help you out.